Hi, Michelle here from michelleeaton.com. In my last video, I showed you how to set up your cameras for recording a cooking video. My kitchen was light enough not to need extra lights. But what if you do need more light? Or what if you want more of an overhead type of angle, like they do on the Tasty videos? I have a solution. I have a ring light, and I thought I would give it a try. It worked quite well. Well guys, got another setup for you. How about this? With the ring light, with my webcam on it. It doesn't have to be, you can use obviously any of your cameras. And that'll be pointing down at the food. And I've got my webcam hooked up to my computer and my microphone, and I can record directly from there. And then when it's time to do the cooking, I can move it. So as you can see, I've moved that around now, and you can see on the screen a good view of what I'll be cooking. Obviously you've got to be careful with all the wires. Make sure you know where those are at all times, and also especially with the top of the ring light pointing down like that, make sure you put a weight on the bottom. So I've got a sandbag. I've just covered it in a dustbin bag, so I've got a sandbag weighing down that base, so if I walk into it or knock it, it's not going to fall. So make sure everything's secure, but what a great option again. So now that you can see how I set the light and camera up, here is some footage that I took with the light and camera in the two positions that you have seen. You can see in the footage that some of it was a little too bright, even on the lowest setting. However, this could be solved by moving the light a little further away. It will take some tweaking to get it just right. I think that is the case whatever the setup is. When shooting this footage, a mistake I made was leaving the webcam on auto settings. It was trying to adjust itself to any alterations in light and movement, and this made the colours change slightly. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell to get notified when I release a new video. My next video will be how to do some editing of your footage. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.